Let's take a look at some new global stats for Linux and see what we have here. All right, this is from June 2022 through June 2023. Desktop operating system market share worldwide. And this is from statcounter.com. Windows at 68.15%, OS X 21.38%, Chrome OS 4.15%, the unknown, interesting. Unknown is 3.23%, Linux 3.08%, and FreeBSD at 0.01%. It's interesting that Chrome OS is separated from the Linux stats. Of course, Chrome OS is based on a modified form of Linux. Now, looking at this, if you were to combine the two, the Chrome OS stat and the Linux stat, we're looking at slightly over 7%. When you think about how long Linux in general has been around, this isn't too bad. I think this is fueled, partly with the growth of Chromebooks, especially during the pandemic. I have a couple of Chromebooks myself, and they are terrific for new users of Linux to try out because they are virtually maintenance free. I've never had them break, crash, or anything like that. They're easy to use, fast, affordable. So it appears that Linux usage in general is on the upward trajectory. This is a good sign. This is something I've been trying to promote really for the last 10 years plus as a possible alternative to whatever you are using. And for most people, it still appears at least 68% of the people out there still use Windows. Windows 11, by the way, multiple installs is fantastic. It's the best Windows, I think, since Windows 7. I don't use Windows as much. I'm still very happy using different forms of Linux, including what you see here, Linux Mint, and of course my Chromebooks. But it's a good sign that at least some people are listening to what I've been saying for over 10 years. So what are you guys using? Post them in the comments below. Thanks.